Yeah, so me there again back in my mother's yard. Full of picnic same way. You don't know?
Don't know.
MJ, RJ, AJ, CJ, NK, and Trish. TS? Trish? Oh, yeah, I did it. But anyway, this a bone. Food still there from yesterday. Oh, see, remember there, just clean out the plate. Yeah, me there. This is my food. I come back and find curry chicken and alaki and callaloo and everything mixed up. But anyway, yo, be silent please. Me record something now. So me there with my mother, she want to tell you a big thank you. You don't know. Big up Jillian and the whole family. But mommy, say what you say?
Hi Jill. Morning or afternoon to you. I'm most grateful for your support. And trust me, man, I big up all of my fans them. I'm a team. My team, cook.
We fans, mommy, our fans. So
yeah, man, our fans.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Our team. It was very presentable. Yeah, well done. Food nice, you know. And we still have the chicken wing.
So what you did have on the menu?
Have,
tell them what you did have on the menu.
We have a callaloo, macaroni vegetable, and rice and peas, wungu rice and peas, red rice, white rice, curry goat, fried chicken, stewed chicken. And trust me, man, it was real good. Everybody love it. And if I tell you, the curry bad. Curry goat bad. Oh, they love the macaroni, pasta, trust me. People them love that. Ice cream, whoa, wicked. Ice cream, man, we have pistachio and we have romaine raisin. Yeah, man.
Pineapple mist. Pineapple mist.
Yeah, it was great. Wonderful time we had here. Food was lovely. Bless up on yourself. Hi, Jill. Bless up again. Bless up everything. Bless up. Love you.
So big up Phil to them, man. Because I want to see them. Big up Phil and we want big up.
Yeah, man. It's a thing. It's an ongoing thing. You know, do this every year. Going about 12 years now.
Big up all the yesterday. Mark Ross.
Big up everybody. Mark Ross. Sure. Me there, man. Him do some of my cooking too, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Mark Ross. Yeah. So, Phil, mommy love you. Big up.
Big up.
Yeah, man.
Who's the there? Right. My Christian sister, church sister, Shana, big up. Sister Shana, big up.
You have Trudy, Rosie.
No, I not got my biological
Janet,
sister there. You have
Janet.
Oh, you're a friend them.
And we have Haltia. Trust me, man. She wicked punching, man.
No, yeah. She not wicked. She good.
Yeah, man.
She great.
Great. Bless up on herself. Bless up.
Yeah, man. Me not gonna show no Altia on the next one, cause
Altia tired. She asleep.
Them asleep.
Janet gone home.
Go.
Trudy
and Rosie, big up on yourself. Them gone. Yeah, man. So, thanks again, everybody. Enough respect. Some my food.
That is disgusting, still now.
Come on, catch it by me. Quick.